Hey, 243 Tim, it's a guy out west, Mike Hennigan. Finally getting that video to you on the crow call. We're on our way back from our spring rat hunt. So here it is. You make this call deep down your throat by your tonsils. It sounds like this. Ah! 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 Sean, hold the camera still. Ah! 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 That will call a crow, Tim. Now, take a look at some of our scenery in the background. These are the Three Sister Mountains in central Oregon. You getting them, Sean?
Yeah, I got them.
Okay. Anyway, did some pretty good rat shooting this weekend, as good as our usual hunt is, but you got to go with what you got. That's why it's called hunting, not shooting. Anyway, I'm going to post this on the website and some pictures of some rats that we shot, my boys shot. So remember, call is done back here. Put my glasses on. It's done back here in your throat. Stop it.